Good morning, ka-blessed. We are off to Manji. Short of Manji mo for some shopping goodies for our weekly food. Yeah. As you can see, Moana is with us kasi we decided na hindi lang siya papasukin kasi nga may sakit siya. But today she look a bit better. Good morning to blessed. So hanggang bukas hindi namin siya papapasukin. Just to make sure lang na hindi siya makakahawa sa ibang ba. Oh, happy Mother's Day! It's already finished the Father's Day, na Mother's Day. Ngayon, may parcel tayong dumating, as in lang dumating, palabas na kami, so dala-dala natin. Let's open this and let's see. Pardon?
You ordered two, right?
Yeah, mine is ano pa. Maybe when you come back or in your night shift. At least mayroon din akong in-order na akin. So kaya daddy in-order. So titingnan natin. Ayan, ka-blessed ang in-order ni daddy, heating massager. Yan. It's a massager. Yes, ayan. Baka meron tayong Coca-Cola body. And next. And ito, shaver. Kasi binili namin shaver last time. Naku, hindi nag-work na matagal. Nag-i-stack up. Nag-loose na siya. So, hindi na. Another one. Camouflage color. Oh. It's a shaver of daddy. Yes. And another one, ka-blessed. May studio microphone tayo. Tayo na talaga. Professional daw. Let's see mamaya kung maging professional yung boses natin. Bumili kami ng bago. I mean si daddy pala. Kasi yung dati, ano siya, nag-static. So grounded, it's short. So try natin mamaya pagbalik ng bahay. So yan ang laman ng ating microphone, ka-blessed. So look, ganda ng board niya. Then this is the microphone. Ayan. And I am telling you, microphone holder. Ayan. So mamaya tignan natin. Ilagay ko yung shaver dito para maka-hold sa ating takip. Takip eh. So that's it. O diba? Dito tayo nag-unboxing. Yung iba mamaya sa bahay natin titingnan. So see you at Manji, mga ka-blessed. Please do watching pala. Do watch my may upload videos. Ayan mga ka-blessed. Thank you dun sa mga nanood na. Mag-comment lang kayo. Baka naman meron tayong libangan. May mga tanong kayo, di i-comment na lang. So, see you again later. Weather update tayo, ka-blessed. Today is 15 degrees but still meron tayong araw. Ayan, it's sunny today and this is our scenery. Check it out. Ayan. Sabi ni daddy, kung kailan daw may araw na, tsaka naman siya babalik sa trabaho. Today is Wednesday, Tuesday pala, sorry. Tuesday, then daddy is going back to work tomorrow, early morning. Maaga ang alis ni daddy bukas kasi tomorrow is his check-up, medical mission. pagod. Tulad nung makikita natin sa vlog natin, I'm sure na napanood yun na yun. Nagmandara kami. Sabado yun siya. Kasi nakaset na yung date na yun para si Moana. Bilhan namin ng winter clothes. Kasi wala sa pantulog na pang winter. So, kahit sa mga pakiramdam niya, okay naman siya. Nakabili naman tayo. Nakauwi tayo ng gabi na yata yun. But, at least, ito tulugan, no? Nakabili tayo na para sa kanya. Good night. Pretender, oh. Malapit na tayo sa Mantika Blessed. So, bibili muna tayo ng ng panggatong ka Blessed doon sa May 10. And after that, pupunta tayo doon sa grocery shops. Andito na tayo sa town ka Blessed. Ayan. Kakaliwa tayo. Dito ka, comfort.
Wow. Daddy, we have to walk to the ground.
Walk to the ground. Ito na ang May 10. Ayan ka Blessed. Suki namin ito. Oh, we have spot here.
To the ground.
The other side pala. There is a spot. Light your tent. Here we come. A boy or a man? Looks like a woman. A lady.
It's green.
So, iwan na lang kami sa car. Kasi lang naman bibili si daddy ng panggatong. That's it. Yun lang. Wala naman kami ibang titingnan doon. Alam mo yun siya, oh. Pink talaga yung chick. A winter chick. Hindi ko nabidyohan. Nalagay ni daddy yung, yung panggatong doon sa likod.
Mama!
Ano ba yan? Nagsunga din
Mama!
Tumulong ako. Hindi mo ko cellphone.
Mama!
Yes? Yun, pabalik na. Nagsuli ng cart. What?
No, there.
What is there?
Mama here.
Yeah, daddy is there. Anything? You off your shoes again. Ay, nako. Ayan na. Let's go to the shops. I mean grocery shops. Let's go Woolies.
Mama, we don't.
Ayan ang papuntang Woolies. Dito na. Kung saan kami bumibili sa may red dot. Ayan. So we are here na.
This red shop.
The red shop. What are you gonna do in a red shop?
Mama.
Just curious for that split
What
pin.
red shop, Daddy?
You know? Mag-unboxing muna sa Blessed.
You punch a hole in the paper behind it, but your
Another
plastic
paper.
but your plastic is not open.
Uh-oh. Yes.
Ouch.
shaver niya. Another design.
Yeah, it's another thing.
Di bago mo makuha yung shaver na gusto mo, ang dami-dami pang.
Not that round thing. That doesn't seem to work. Baby, you know.
Army yan. Oy. Double pa, no?
Hmm?
Double.
Yeah.
Nice. Sana nga, okay na siya. It's good for camping nga eh. Handy.
And
Okay. Takip pala yun. So this is from Temu product, ka blessed. If you want to buy something like this, just follow my blog. And download Temu. That's it.
And the T-Rex.
Buwa. So we are this. Go and get the cards.
that one. This one?
Up. Come on, kaya mo yan. Sige. Nasa Woolies na tayo, mga ka-blessed. Sarap buhay. Ginawa ng playground ng Ginawa ng playground ng Woolies. Yeah. Pwede tayo ng sibuyas. Yung sibuyas ko konti na lang. Baby onion. Samantalahin natin sa broso. Baka nandito sa atay natin. Ito yung masarap. Ay, dyan na na. Bye, dyan na na. Tapusan. way. You follow daddy. Talaga naman, oh. Alig-alig eh. No drinky? Ito. So, ayan na tayo taglas. Ang bata natin. Bukat mo na. Tired? So, hindi tayo nakapag-vlog the whole way. Kasi ang bata natin, mabait na naman. So, done. Woolies ka, blessed. Hindi tayo nakapag-vlog all the way. As usual. Let's go reject store. Bili ako doon ng down. And the surf powder.
Stop.
Ako lang ako. I go alone lang. Kasi down nila naman ang in. Let's go. Dito na tayo. So we're done na. I'm back in the car again, mga ka-blessed. Time to go home. Ay, in IGA. Yeah. Just forgot it when I went there last time. Now, it's time to eat our magic bread. Turkish bread. Kumakain na si Daddy ito. Bibili kami nito na kinakain namin pa uwi. Our food going back home. Naman siyang sesame seed and garlic flavor.
That is good.
It's a bread. That's for laundry. Kita na yung sabon. Oh, of coffee pala eh. Yeah, it's for food. Yung binili ko sa Reddit.
You want coffee? Wala naman coffee?
Later, okay? Back home. to the coffee. See you at home mga ka-blessed. Thank you again. So, huminto tayo dito sa my general store. Kasi bibili ulit ng kahoy. Doon sa Reelso ko napanood niyo yun. Yung isang sakong kahoy na sunong-sunong ko. Dito yun galing. Ayan, dyan galing sa general store. Kasi yung kahoy dito malalaki. Isang sako 5 piraso lang. So, may mix up namin sa doon. So, nabili namin sa may 10 kanina. We're eating Frenchies. Hindi na kami sumama. Kakapagod. Bumaba.
Mom. Mom.
Dito lang tayo. Bahay na tayo ka-blessed. And ito yung mga napamili natin. The bigas. There's more. How many bags you have? 4 bags. Hanap na magaan-gaan. Hanap na magaan-gaan. Madaya. Madaya. Ayan yung mga ano natin. Kahoy. Panggatong. Yan ang ating gatong. Sasama natin sa gatong yan. Tulala sa ating sa kanyang belt massager.
Mama, Moana first. Help her.
We're home, ka-blessed. Kanina. Ito ating mga nabili. Niliyan ko. Yan mamaya. French fries. Wala yun yan. Ito yung aking sauce para sa salad. Veggie salad. And then parang mayonnaise. Onion. Ang ating sardinas. 5 pieces ito. Madalaan na ng bata. Ating rice. 5 kilo.
Nice.
It's nice. Daddy becomes 60 na.
Oh, it's kind of hot. That's what I wanted it for.
Bean bag.
What is that?
Tomato sauce. Ketchup pala. Yan. Chicken wings. Ito yung napamahal eh. Chicken wings. And chicken thigh. Drumstick. Yan. Pero cheap amount na yan siya. Kasi Woolies product. Next bag. I need that chair eh. So I can put that there. Parang bag natin dito. Cucumber. Ating mango drink.
Mango drink?
Ang ating mais.
Mama, I want the
1.90 isa.
mango drink.
$1.90.
Mama, I
Soda
want the
natin.
mango drink. I want the mango drink.
Later, okay?
I want the
And then ang salami.
mango
Salami stick.
drink.
Ang bag natin. Isa lang naman. 4 na bag. Paper towel.